Inscribed circle. In this video, we will discussing how to construct incircle of a triangle. Incircle mean when we are constructing a circle which is inside the triangle like this. It's supposed to touch all three sides of the triangle. So this triangle we call it, this circle we call it incircle of this triangle. So before we construct the triangle, we see what are the key points we need to know to draw this incircle. The first thing is construct two angle bisectors. So in this triangle, there are three angles are there. So you can pick any of the two angles like this, and you can draw angle bisectors like this. So the second thing is, so that this intersection point, from this intersection point of the angle bisectors, we need to drop a perpendicular. We need to drop a perpendicular to any of the side of the triangle. You can choose which side you are going to drop the perpendicular. So for example, from here, if you are dropping a perpendicular for this side, so like this, you draw the arc, and then you come like this, and you drop the perpendicular. So then this distance, this point and this point, taken as a radius, and we draw the circle. So once we draw it, it's the incircle of the triangle. So let's see how it is doing. As you can see, there's a triangle ABC. So for this triangle, we'll see how to construct the incircle. First, we pick two angles of this triangle. Now I'm going to take the angle B and angle C to draw the perpendicular angle bisectors. You can see. So you can use ruler to draw this, join these two intersection points, this one and this B. So you can see this angle has divided to two equal parts. That is how we draw the angle bisectors. So let's see for the angle C how to draw the angle bisector. You can always use the ruler to join this point, and you have to extend this angle bisectors until it intersect each other. Now you can see there's an intersecting point, and this intersecting point, we will name it as a X for us to refer. From this point X, we have to drop a perpendicular, any of this side. You can pick any of the side. For one of the side, we have to drop a perpendicular. So what I'm going to do is I'm choosing this BC side. For the BC, I'm going to drop the perpendicular. So I keep the compass in the point of X, and I'll extend it a little like this. And you can see like this. You draw the arc like this, then you move the compass to the point where it was intersect, and then draw another arc. Now you can see this is the intersecting point, so I'm going to join this together. So always you can use the ruler, but I'm using do like this. You always use the ruler to draw this one. Now can see this is the point where it intersects BC side, and I'm going to name this side as O. So okay, now we came to the last step. So we take this OX as the radius of this circle, and we are drawing a circle. Now you can see in this one, Incircle is touch all three sides of the triangle, and we can measure now. In the questions, they're asking you to measure the radius of this circle. So they're asking you to measure the radius of the circle, so we can measure it and write. Let's take the ruler and measure it. So you can see the length of this radius is 2 centimeter. So in the exams, they always ask you to measure the length of this radius. And from there only they will recognize whether your answer is correct or wrong. And this answer can be 1 centimeter, 1 decimal point. I mean, the 1 millimeter up and down, you can get the different answer, but you always try to get the measurement like this. So you get the correct figure. So finally, when I summarize the 2 key points of this Incircle construction, you need to construct 2 angle bisectors of any 2 angles of this triangle, and you need to drop a perpendicular from any side of this triangle. You need to pick one side, and for any of the sides, you have to drop a perpendicular like this. Then the length, this intersection point, and this perpendicular, which is by intersecting the side, these 2 length, this distance, you take it as a radius and draw a circle. This is how you draw the incircle of a triangle.